Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another video. In this guide, I'm going to show you a VPN app that can help improve your online connection and add an extra layer of protection while using the internet. This app is available on the Google Play Store. So open the Play Store on your device and search for More Tunnel VPN. From the search results, make sure you select the correct app by checking the app name and icon. Install the app, then tap on Open. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos. Once the app opens, you will need to do a few basic settings. First, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Online Update. This will update the app resources so it can work properly. After the update is complete, go to the Location section. Here, you need to choose a server. For this tutorial, I recommend selecting Auto Select Server. This option allows the app to automatically choose the best server for your location. Next, go to the Network option. For this guide, select All Country UDP. This option works in many regions and usually provides a stable connection. If this option does not work for you, you can choose your specific country from the list. After selecting the network, tap on the option to add connection time. Make sure you add the required time so the app can function properly. Finally, tap on the Start button. The app will connect and your internet connection will be active. That's how you can set up More Tunnel VPN on your device. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.